bad idea. I already know.
Choose your fighter. Fight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shy, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be attempting to cut bangs into one of my old wigs. Now, disclaimer, because I already know somebody's gonna come for me in the comments. I'm not a hairstylist, so if you see me using the wrong scissors, the wrong technique, don't come for me. Please, just don't even come. I'm already trying to look on YouTube for some examples on how to do this, because I don't know what I'm doing. I can already tell this is gonna be a mess. Like, it's gonna be so bad, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do it because like the wig is messed up enough. Can't mess it up even more. I don't wear it. I'm using this old wig that I made like, I don't even know when I made this wig. It was one of the first wigs I ever made, and I butchered it so bad, like so bad. It's barely a frontal, so I was like, well, the frontal already don't exist, so we might as well go ahead and cut it. Bruh. Y'all, the wig doesn't even fit my head. Like, it's like halfway down. It doesn't even fit my head. Like, if I pull it, this is gonna be a bad idea. I already know. It's so frizzy. I should have washed it first. Push-ups, going back in the hair bag. I think I'm gonna have to like do like this, and then like when I cut the bangs, cut them like further down, you know? I think. Ooh, comb this out. It's so nappy. I think I need to plug in my wire curler so I can flatten this part. Let me look at some videos. This is ridiculous. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Do I have a straightener? I don't know. Yikes. It's so crazy that I'm starting to get more comfortable, like, talking to y'all. Like, I talk a little bit louder now. It just feels like I'm on FaceTime, basically, with myself. That's literally how it feels. Like I'm on FaceTime with myself. Okay, so y'all, them videos did not help. So we about to wing it. Like, we really about to wing it right now. I'm not gluing this wig down because I feel like we're doing bangs. So like, what do I need to glue it down for? Nobody's gonna see no lace, you know? Every video that I've seen, people are like cutting it like, what, they're parting in like a triangle. So I'm gonna try that. And you see me look over here, I'm just looking at my mirror so I can see, because I can't really see. I really hate hair in my face, which is why I'm not really sure why I'm doing this. Me and bangs aren't really a thing. Oh, look at that lace though. What? If only there was more lace. Like, if there was more lace, this would be so cute. I'm trying to go in with my blonde curler, but I feel like it's not hot. Oh, was it? I feel like it's gonna be so thin. If I cut it like this, then it's gonna be like that one video, that girl in her bangs, like.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We got this far. Ain't no turning back, sis. Ain't no turning back. We gonna fix it. Why did I think this is okay? I don't even have the face for bangs. Ugh. Oh, that looks so ugly. These are like the thinnest bangs I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. I'm like making it worse. It ain't terrible. What the fuck am I cutting like that? Sis, what are you cutting with your head tilted? This is really taking me back to like middle school when I used to always wear bangs. Like, I look so ugly. Me and bangs aren't a thing. We do not belong together. We should not exist, you know? I feel like it wouldn't be that bad if they would just join together right here. I just don't think I'm doing this right. This is really frustrating me now. Okay, so I just got done watching a video and I guess the bangs aren't bad considering the fact that like they kind of look like French bangs, but like they look so ugly on me. I don't like it. I'ma just keep trying to finesse it, you know, play around with it some more, just until I like it on myself, you know. Because that's really just the goal, to see if you like it yourself. It's not about whether somebody else likes it, it's about if you like it. Like, who cares about somebody else's opinion? You're doing it for you. Nobody else. That's it. That's all. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna leave this alone because this might honestly be the best it's gonna go. Personally, I don't think it looks bad. It's pretty decent to say that it was only like this much lace left, so I'm not even mad at it. But me and bangs don't fit. Like, bangs do not fit my face. Like, I look so bad right now. It's not terrible, you know. I wear it maybe in I don't look cute with bangs, so it's whatever. A low key, I feel like this would be a look if it was, no, it would probably be a look if it was darker though. If it was darker and I actually had makeup on, this would be so cute. Like, this would be cute. But in the meantime, this is what we got to do with it. It's kind of ugly. I feel like I should have did the long pieces on the side, but I'm gonna do it long because I can't cut to save my life. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video or whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle to cut these bangs on this old wig. Cause y'all know I love trying to revamp my old wigs. But your girl be struggling out here. Like, I would never do this again. Y'all better not let me cut bangs ever again. Don't let me wear bangs ever again. Like, this is so ugly on me. My head is so big. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl and click the bell button to get notified every time that I post. Period.